Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best digital microscopes for kids in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. 1000x Handheld Microscope for Kids. This microscope comes with a 2-inch IPS screen, so kids can view everything clearly on a larger display without putting strain on their eyes. That makes it much more comfortable than traditional small eyepiece microscopes. It supports photo taking and video recording, which is a really nice feature for children who want to save what they discover. According to the product details, it can capture high-resolution photos and record 1080 pixel video, so it's not just for viewing but also for creating fun science content. This microscope is listed as supporting 200x to 1000x zoom, making it suitable for exploring things like sand, moss, leaves, insect parts, stones, and even plant and animal cells. It also includes LED lighting and a focus adjustment wheel, which help users get a clearer image more easily. It's small, lightweight, and portable and comes in different colors like pink, blue, and white, so it feels more appealing for kids. It also supports a memory card up to 32 gigabytes, which is useful for storing photos and videos. Overall, I think this is a great starter microscope for children and students. It encourages curiosity, makes learning more interactive, and can be a meaningful educational gift. Number 4. Smart P02 Handheld Microscope. One of the first things I like about this product is its 2-inch HD color screen. Instead of squinting through a traditional eyepiece, you can view everything directly on the display, which makes it much easier and more comfortable for children to use. This microscope supports up to 1600x magnification, along with digital zoom and wheel focus adjustment, so users can get a closer and clearer look at leaves, fabrics, and other small objects. It also has 3 levels of lighting, which helps improve visibility in different conditions. Another useful feature is that this is more than just a microscope. It also works as a camera, video recorder, telescope, and magnifying glass, making it a versatile learning tool. Kids can capture photos and videos of what they see, which adds more fun to the learning experience. It has an ergonomic grip, simple button layout, and a stable anti-slip base for desktop mode. It also includes a built-in 3.7-volt 1100 mAh battery with around 2 hours of charging time and up to 120 minutes of use. Overall, the P02 handheld microscope looks like a great educational gadget for home learning, classroom activities, and outdoor exploration. Number 3. CM4 Kid Digital Microscope. It has kid-friendly look, a comfortable grip, and a 2-inch IPS screen, which makes it easy to view objects directly without needing to look through a traditional eyepiece. This microscope offers up to 1000x magnification, so kids can explore tiny details on things like plants, insects, flowers, rocks, coins, and even printed maps. It's a great way to make science more interactive and exciting. Another nice feature is the photo and video function. Kids can capture what they see and save their discoveries, which makes the learning experience even more fun. The product also supports PC viewing, so images can be seen on a larger screen when needed. It comes with adjustable LED lights for better visibility, a focus wheel for easier control, and a Type-C charging interface, which is more convenient for modern use. One feature I really like is the 90-degree adjustable screen design, helping kids use it more comfortably from different angles. It can be used indoors and outdoors, so whether your child is exploring drawings at home or looking at leaves and bugs outside, this microscope seems like a great learning companion. Overall, the CM4 Digital Microscope looks like a fun, educational, and beginner-friendly gadget for curious kids and even adults. Number 2. P02 Handheld Microscope for Kids. The microscope's small, lightweight, portable, and easy to carry, so children can use it both indoors and outdoors. It also comes in multiple colors, which makes it even more attractive for younger users. This microscope has a 2-inch IPS screen, which means kids can look at objects directly on the display without needing to connect it to another device. It also offers up to 1000x zoom, so they can explore tiny details on things like plants, insects, coins, fabrics, hair, and even circuit boards. Another nice feature is the HD lens with 2 million pixels, which helps provide clear and detailed images. It also includes 8 LED lights, making it easier to observe objects in different lighting conditions. This microscope is also PC compatible, supporting Windows and newer Mac systems, which is useful if you want to view images on a bigger screen, and since it's rechargeable, it feels more convenient for regular use. Overall, this looks like a great educational gift for kids and students. It encourages outdoor exploration, curiosity, and hands-on learning in a fun way. Number 1. Digital Microscope for Kids. This microscope comes with a 2-inch IPS color screen, so kids can see what they are exploring directly on the display without needing to connect it to a phone. It also supports up to 1000x magnification, which makes it fun for looking at things like leaves, fabric, insects, coins, hair, and even tiny electronic parts. One thing I like is that it has 8 adjustable LED lights, which helps a lot when you are observing objects in low light. The product also supports photo and video recording, and it has internal storage with support for a TF card, so kids can save what they discover and share it later. This microscope is clearly made for children. It's lightweight, handheld, and easy to grip, and the cute cartoon-style design makes it more attractive for younger users. It also says the battery is included, so it should be ready to use out of the box. This is not a professional laboratory microscope, of course, but for learning, outdoor exploration, and early science curiosity, it looks like a really fun option. It can help children spend less time on mobile phones and more time exploring the world around them. Overall, if you're looking for a beginner-friendly, kid-focused digital microscope, this one seems like a nice educational gadget.